How to boost performance with project lifecycle methodology. Standardizing project management practices throughout your organization reduces the risk of project failure, delivers better project outcomes, and boosts overall revenue and productivity. To begin, determine a high-level project roadmap and agenda. Then, assemble your team. Put your plan into action and measure the project's progress. Evaluate the risks and find solutions along the way. Closing a project is just as important as running it effectively. Prepare a final report by re-evaluating your resources, holding a team debrief, and documenting the project's completion. Click the link in the description for a step-by-step guide to evaluating your project's progress using key metrics. GetApp, where business leaders find software.